Hello my little wonders, I hope you all are enjoying your holidays with following all COVID safety instructions. So today we are going to learn how to make a paper basket. So for that we are going to use some papers from your old notebook or your old project book like this. Some papers are remaining, so you will use it. Otherwise, use craft paper or newspaper. So first I am using here one green color chart paper and fold it into a handkerchief fold. So you don't have chart paper, so you will use it any paper. So open this fold and look at here, 4 crease and 1 middle point. So up to middle point you have to fold all four corners properly. So fold it one by one up to middle point. Then again open it. So you got 4 lines. So up to this line you have to fold it all corners properly. Do it again and again and fold it properly like this. One time, second time, third and fourth. So all time do it 4 fold. So you got proper fold. See again, 1 2 3 4. So learn this count and then turn it back. Then again up to middle point, fold it one side. So first I will show you how to make a dusting pan. So fold both the corners inside the straight fold and then open it like this. It's so easy and our dusting pan is ready. So next I will show you how to make a basket. So for that, like another side also, fold it up to middle point and fold this side also, both corner inside the straight fold. So fold it properly and then open it. See, it's so easy and our paper basket is ready. So you will make it with the different papers. So next I will show you here how to make another one basket with newspaper, and I am using this basket for covering the another basket as a basket cover and make it one box from it to keeping one basket to another basket. And our box is ready. So next I will teach you how to make another type of basket with using your old notebook papers. So I am using here one written paper because blank papers is you use for your this year's studies. So again do it one handkerchief fold, then open it and fold all 4 corners up to middle point. Follow the same method here also and then again turn it back and folding again up to middle point all 4 corners. And then make it like this. Again handkerchief fold and then open it. And our 4 compartment basket also ready. See, it's very nice. Yes. So now I'm using another one paper and make it handle for it. So for that I cut it one strip from another paper and stick it like this on this basket, and our 4 compartment handle with handle basket is ready. Now I will show you another use of this basket. Draw 2 eyes with crayons, color it properly, and then open it and color it with the red color because it's a mouth of the face. And then keep your 4 finger in it and look at, it's a talking mouth is ready. Next I will stick it handle on it with the help of glue and make one 4 compartment handle basket with keeping your all miscellaneous things properly. Those who not have color craft paper, don't worry. I will teach you how to convert your old notebook paper into color paper. So for that you require your colors and use any color to color it. So I am using here red color to color the paper. So color it properly, full paper. I am showing here only one side, you have to color it both the side. So after that use green color to make a polka dots. Randomly draw on the paper and our colorful paper is ready. So use this method both the side and make your paper colorful. So from that colorful paper I will make it one basket, and you will use this basket to keep your all miscellaneous things like the colors or money or your other craft material, and keep your all the things segregated on their designated place. So like this, use this basket and make your study table more manageable, or give this basket as a gift to your mama and help her to manage your house clutter free. So like that, so make like this more colorful basket, use as a storage or as a gift box, tie a colorful ribbon and ready to go. If you like this video, so write in the comment box and like, share and subscribe my channel with your friends and family. We will meet next week. Till then, be happy and be safe. Bye.